Hello, to create user data for a non-existent source, go to the Catalog service. Click on the New button, then select the From a Data Source option. Then click on Continue. In the screen that appears, simply enter the name of the user data, for example, staff list. Then click on the New button. The screen that opens allows you to create the new source. Here, we will use an Excel file. Enter a name for the data source. For example, HR data, then click Next. In the connection block, click Browse to upload the Excel file to be used, then select it. Finally, click Select to confirm the creation of the source and the usage data. You can now create your data query using the tables available through the data source. To do this, simply drag the desired tables into the Diagram tab. Here, we will use HR data. In order to validate the query, it is important to preview the data. If necessary, you can apply aggregations or sorts to the data. In addition, you can also create expressions with the Suadeo expression editor to add calculation rules. Moreover, you can copy the SQL code automatically generated by Suadeo if needed. Finally, to validate the query, you must click on the Save button. At last, the Description and Security tabs allow you to document user data and configure access and sharing rights. Thank you for watching this video.